How to assemble the RYOBI 40-volt 18-inch push mower. Handle assembly. First, fully extend the handle assembly. Align the upper handles with the lower handle assembly, then insert the knobs through the holes and tighten. Tighten both lower knobs by turning clockwise. Installing and uninstalling the side discharge accessory. To go from the mulching function to the discharge function, simply lift the mulch cover and lock the side discharge accessory into place. To switch back to the mulching function, simply remove the side discharge accessory and lower the mulch door back into place. Setting the blade height. To raise the blade height, grasp the height adjustment lever and move it towards the back of the mower. When cutting long, dense grass, it is helpful to raise your cutting height and reduce your walking speed. To lower the blade height, grasp the height adjustment lever and move it toward the front of the mower. Starting the mower. Ensure the battery is fully charged before installing it into the active port. Next, insert the start key and lower the lid. Press and hold the start button while you pull the lever, then release the button. To stop the mower, release the start levers and the blade will automatically disengage. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-860-4050.